Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to make a wall hanging. First we will need a down or just a wooden stick, and we will need 3mm cord. Each one is around 152 centimeter long. That's the one that I'm using. It's in beige color. And of course we're gonna need some scissors to finish off. Let's get started. We will start by making a lurk knot, and it is made by folding the cord into half. Then we start attaching it to the wooden stick. We attach all the 10 cords into the wooden stick. Now we will start by making square knots to all of them. And to start a square knot, we take the one that the most left and cross it. Then we take the one on the right, put it underneath and through. This is the first part of the square knot. And then we do the opposite. We take the one on the right, cross it over, one on the left, goes under and through. And here we have our first square knot. Let's move to the second. So that's how they look so far. What we're gonna do right now is we take two from the left. We're not gonna use these two, so we're gonna just put them on the side. And we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. So these two we're not gonna use now. And then we will continue doing the square knots with the ones that we have. So we ignore the two on the left and two on the right, and we continue doing the square knots. Next step is going to be taking 2 more from the left. We're not going to do that, the square knot from here, and 2 from the right. So we're not going to do the square knots using the 4 on the left and 4 from the right. So what we're going to do, we're going to just do these ones in the middle and ignore 4 from the left and 4 from the right. Next step, you guessed it, we'll take 2 more from the left. We're not going to do the square knot here, and 2 from the right. We're not going to do square knot from here either. And we will do 2 more square knot here. So the pattern is we start 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then we'll end up with 1. So what we're gonna do now is to start building up our diamond. That is the final look of it. So what we did right now, we did this, the upper part, and now we're gonna start making this diamond in here. So what we're gonna do is gonna start building it up. So as we did here, we started 5 and then we ended by 1. So here we're gonna do 1 and then we start 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can start from the middle. So divide them from the middle and we take 4 from the left and we start building our square knots. Now we're gonna make 3, and to start with, we start always with the middle, just to make it easier and our counts is correct. Now we continue making 4s in this row. So we take the 2 after this and 2 from here. Now we have 5 square knots. We're gonna do exactly like what we did from the beginning. So here we started with 5 square knots, then we started to decrease to 4, 3, 2, and 1, and here we have again 5, so we start decreasing until we reach to 1, and then we will have a diamond shape. So that's what we have here. Our next step is gonna be start cutting the ends. I like to prefer measuring tape. Measure from here to here around 13 centimeter and start cutting it. Or there's another way I prefer to do is to do it from here till the top. It's gonna be until here before the wooden stick and start cutting in the middle. The rest I'm gonna use the measuring tape to do 13 centimeter and start cutting. So that's how this wall hanging looks like. You can either leave them like this, or you can comb them, or what I like to do, if I don't want to comb them, just separate them from each other. Just give a really nice look by the end. That's how the wall hanging looks like. Congratulations, you made your first wall hanging, in case that was your first. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in another tutorial. Bye.